How to measure Keizer versus Weld wheels. The two biggest differences in measuring between the two manufacturers is the bead lock wheel. Here we are measuring an 8-inch bead lock. For the best measurement reading, start with the machine surface down on a flat surface with the bead or bead lock up. Now the point of reference on a weld is from the bottom of the machine surface to the top of the bead. The point of reference on a Keizer is from the machine surface to the top of the bead lock ring. And as you can see here, it is a 1/2 inch shorter if you use the same reference as the weld to a Keizer. So on bead lock wheels, the reference point is different. And the Keizer bead lock wheels are shorter compared to weld. You can do it freehand and hold. Here's an example. Just make sure you have the bead lock ring on your Keizer wheel when measuring. Now, non-bead lock wheels, between the two is easy, and the point of reference is the same. Just from the bottom of the machine surface to the bottom of the bead for both manufacturers, and that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit that like button, and check back in and check on our other videos to get up to date and to gain speed.